When we're trying to multiply polynomials like this, the first thing we want to do is get rid of those extra parentheses. So right now the parentheses aren't really doing anything. So we can just drop them. There's nothing we need to multiply or distribute. And then what we're doing here is we're doing a distributive problem. This m will multiply to everything in the second parentheses. This -2 will multiply to everything. And the n will multiply to everything. So if we do that first m, you have m times m, you get m squared. M times -2, -2m, m times -n, -mn. Do this again. -2, that'll be -2m, then +4, +2n, where I'm just taking that -2, multiplying it to each term. And then finally this n will multiply to each term. So that's an mn, a -2n, and a -n squared. Now at the end of this, you will want to find some common terms. Sometimes things will cancel. So in this case, the mn and the -mn cancel. The 2n and the -2n cancel. We can combine the -2n and the -2n, and that's going to be it. Our final answer will be m squared minus 4m plus 4 minus n squared.